So Vicky already showed you earlier how to make our box oven, so we're gonna go ahead and make some nachos. So all we're doing is pouring our tortilla chips into our little pan, and then we're gonna put whatever kind of yummy deliciousness we want on it. We accidentally left our cheese out in the sun, so it's already half melted, so we're halfway there. So we got our cheese. We also brought some different toppings. So we've got some black beans, we got some olives. We're just gonna kind of put this stuff on it and then head over to our little setup. Try not to get too much liquid in here. We got a little pull top can, but when I pulled it, I broke the top off of it. Okay, so we have our nachos, and we're just gonna head over here to where we have everything set up. So we already have our pan down here. I've already put in our coals, and then we have our little two pieces that are going to support this. So we kind of got him right there. And all we're going to do is put our stove over like that. He fits pretty well. There's a little bit of room right here for some air to flow in and out, but that's okay. And then we'll give it a couple minutes and then check it and see if everything's nice and melty. So it looks like everything is nice and melty in here. It only took like 5 to 7 minutes. I'll bring it to you so you can take a look at it. Yum, nice and melty. We caught some nature in there. So our nachos are all done, and now you can put whatever kind of delicious toppings you want on it. So we've got some yummy sour cream, some salsa, all that kind of good stuff. We're ready to go.